Okay, here we are. You're finally gonna meet my parents. They're gonna love you immediately. I just know it. There. Okay, perfect. This is it. Ready?
There's my boy. And you must be the special someone we've heard so much about.
Welcome, welcome. Dinner's just about ready.
Smells amazing. Did you make your famous lasagna?
Of course I did. Only the best for your first visit together.
So I told my financial advisor, I don't care about that. I want something diversified.
Isn't this so good?
Okay, 2 words?
Movie.
Diversified portfolio?
Oh, Wall Street.
All right.
Let's go.